Okay, for my prop box, I decided to do a mailbox theme. I had a lot of fun with this prop box, and so I'll just get started. So the biggest and first thing that I did was create a mailbox. It has USPS on it. You can insert bigger envelopes in the top, or you can slide small envelopes in the hole, and then the bottom opens up and you can retrieve mail out of it. I did an open and close sign. Yes, we're open. Sorry, we're closed. I did several different kinds of paper for this project because I know that kids love to be creative and they love to use all kinds of different materials. So I pulled out some scrapbook paper that I had. Things like this. I had a few pieces of those. I pulled out generic white paper because kids like white paper too. You can do a lot of things with white paper. And then I also had some construction paper, so like pieces of yellow or colored paper to write notes on. Kids love to draw pictures and they love to write, so I included pens, colored pens, black pens, normal pens, a box of crayons for coloring. The next thing that I did was I did money. I made coins to buy stamps. So I had money. I made postcards. And I put a sticker on this one to represent a stamp. Instead of buying stamps, I bought a roll of stickers instead, and so those stickers can act like stamps when they were going to mail something. And then they could write on the postcards too. You could draw a picture on the back. I also had these address labels. I got these from the post office. So they're real life, you know, they're not just something that I made, they're actually something that the kids would see if it was a real life situation. And so they can, those are peel and sticks. So, peel and stick. The next thing I have are envelopes. I did a few sizes of envelopes. I did your generic envelope, small envelopes with a flap on the back. And then I also had some of these that I also got from the post office. I had this one. It's like a cardboard material, but kind of flimsy. You can put big packages in that, big letters. I also had this really flimsy paper envelope too. And, you know, you have your to and from on the back so the kids can put who it's from and where it's going. I did some boxes so they could put some things in boxes. This is the small box that I got. And if they wanted to put it together, this is it. I also did a bigger box so they could put stuff in and close up. And the last thing I have is a mail bag. I did just a generic cardboard bag. I didn't have a canvas bag. And I did a cardboard bag. So that's my prop box. I hope you enjoyed it.